Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to join the Blox Fruit Discord server on Discord Mobile. So let's jump right into it. First, let's go ahead and open the browser since you cannot do this from the app. Once you do that, go to discord.com and make sure that you are in the desktop version. Tap on the three dots and then tap on desktop site. From here, zoom in and tap on open Discord. It might ask you to log in. If it does, just go ahead and log in quickly. Once you do, just go and zoom in here and tap on the explore button right here. It will take you to this screen. Search for Blox Fruit, which is the server that you want to join. Tap on enter. Once this search is done, tap on the server that you want to join, which is the Blox Fruit in this case. And from here, just go ahead and find this button that says join server. It is in the top right here. Tap on it. Once you do, it will ask you to complete a human verification. And once you do that, you will be in this server successfully. Just tap on complete on the top right here again. And once you do that, just agree to the rules and you will be in the server. And that's how you do it, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future solutions to such problems. And thank you for watching.